Hi there. Are you tired of juggling schedules, missed appointments, or endless back and forths to set up sessions with your clients? LifeHetu is here to make your life easier. Let me show you how. With LifeHetu, you get an end-to-end appointment scheduling solution designed specifically for mental health care specialists. Here's how we solve your scheduling challenges. Seamless schedule management. Say goodbye to the headaches of manual scheduling. Our system makes it effortless to manage appointments and slots. Easy booking for online clients. Your clients can book their sessions quickly and conveniently, giving them a smooth, stress-free experience. Flexible slot management. Adjust your availability in just a few clicks, keeping your schedule perfectly aligned with your daily commitments. Now, let me show you just how easy it is to schedule an appointment using LifeHetu's practice management software. When you select the Appointments option, you'll see a clear view of all your upcoming sessions and client details at a glance. Creating a new appointment is as simple as filling out a few details. Enter the contact details of your client. Type in the client's name and the practitioner's name. Select the service they need. Add the counseling fee and choose a payment method. Finally, pick the date and time and click Create Appointment. That's it. Just like that, your appointment is scheduled. No confusion, no hassle, just a smooth, professional process that keeps you and your clients happy. So, why stress about scheduling when LifeHetu makes it this easy? Simplify your practice management today. Visit our website to learn more and get started.